Woohoo! So we're at Roman's soccer game, and this is Roman's grandma,
Nanny Susie.
Nanny Susie, and Roman's in the 13s, under 13s.
Under 13,
yeah. Wanderers. So yeah, so we're spending a Sunday catching up and watching soccer. Soccer mums, soccer nans. So windy. Anyway, first bike ride for a while. Let's go. Hey everybody. Well, it's an incredibly windy day outside. I have spent a fair bit of time getting my bike off the back bike rack, and I went for a ride on it, and it was like almost gale force winds. In fact, so much so that I packed it back away. And I'm sitting in this van and it's rocking. You can probably see me rocking right now. That is the wind rolling the van. So that's how windy it is outside. It's been raining on and off as well. I'm on the sunny coast in Maroochydore right now, and I'm at a car park on the river. And this is called Picnic Point Esplanade, and the boat ramp is just down there. And some local residents here along this esplanade were friends of a girlfriend of mine, and suggested this would be a good place to camp up because they often see vans parked opposite their apartment and they can be here for a couple of nights without getting hassled. So they suggested that this could be a good place for me to park up for the night. So that's what I'm doing. And I just wanted to connect with you guys, and I just want to share some of my really basic equipment that I use. So I have like a $12 selfie stick from Kmart. I have a little tiny speaker microphone. I have a little tiny microphone here. I worked out if I have it a little bit lower, then the sound seems to be a little bit better. you've got to keep this microphone really steady and still because it picks up a lot of sound. And that's the microphone there. I think it was about $30 online. And then I got this $5 ring light from Kmart. So the light's actually quite good. You can adjust the light brighter, but I think this is pretty good as it is. So for those of you who have just joined my YouTube channel, I'm Donna-Leigh Perfect. I am a international keynote speaker, and I'm also a 3 times published author. And so for the last almost year, I have been living in and out of my van, as well as dog sitting and traveling and doing some work on the road, doing a little bit of film and TV work. My channel, Vanlife with Donna-Leigh Perfect, is all about me sharing my vulnerability, my feelings, my emotions, my challenges, my obstacles with you, in the hope that some way it might help. But I just want to be real, and it's not all fabulous, fantastic, exciting, adventurous van lifing. There are challenges, there are difficulties, and I just want to be real about that, and I want to be honest about that. It's not always easy, but it's about getting a balanced perspective and knowing that life isn't easy. It doesn't matter what we do. It doesn't matter where we are. There will always be obstacles and challenges in our life that we need to overcome, that we need to reassure ourselves that we're okay. And this is just House on Wheels vehicle that is another way of experiencing life and experiencing those challenges. And I really believe that it's all about adapting to your environment. It's all about resilience and believing in yourself and knowing that you can get through anything. And we can get through anything. So I'm an example of that. I've had a lot of trauma as a child into my teenage years and early adult years. And I share my story on the stage and in my books. And we all have the ability to overcome adversity, overcome obstacles in our life, and not just survive, but thrive. And so much of it is about self-belief and believing in yourself. And don't get me wrong, there are days where I really struggle. Days where I'm lonely, days where it's really scary because I don't know from one day to the next where I'm going, where I'm staying, what I'm doing. And there are days where I just embrace that, and it's an adventure and I'm excited. So it's only some of the things that are challenging for me as a single female van lifer. And it can be really lonely sometimes. When I do feel lonely, I ring a friend, I ring a family member, I have a chat with them on the phone, and I just feel those emotions and again reassure myself that I'm okay, and that I would much rather be on my own than in a toxic, unhealthy, dysfunctional relationship. So I hope some of the stuff that I share on my channel is helpful to you. If it is, please share it with others. Please subscribe so I can produce more content. So it's like 2:30 in the morning, and it's blowing an absolute gale outside, and it's just stopped pouring down with rain. I thought the van was actually going to take off into it was so windy, and the van's been rocking all night, and I've really been struggling to get to sleep, and I fell asleep, and then I woke up again when the rain. It was just wild, absolutely wild weather outside, and I'm so tired. Yeah, I just can't seem to get to sleep with this constant rocking of the van and this wind. I'm on the river in Maroochydore on the sunny coast, and I'm just lying here, awake, trying to sleep. I guess feeling a little bit vulnerable. It'd be like if you were in a house, I guess, and probably a little bit of an earthquake, and your house is moving and shaking around. Well, that's how it feels in this van tonight. Yeah. It's a van earthquake. Oh, the joys. The joys of van life. The things you don't see. Some of the realities. This is how it is. Some nights in the van alone, listening to the sounds outside and wondering if I'm even going to survive it. Even my little tiny mini Buzzy Bee is rocking around on the coffee machine. I'm going to show you Buzzy. Look at Buzzy. Buzzy's not rocking around too bad. Oh, I need to sleep. I need to sleep. I get to sleep. Please. Peace out.